JBL Wave 200 TWS wireless in-ear headphones. It has incredible sound quality. The bass is deep and rich, mids are clear, and highs are crisp. In addition, the headphones are equipped with Bluetooth technology, which makes it easy for you to set up a wireless connection and enjoy excellent sound quality even from a distance. The earbuds have impressive battery life, with up to 5 hours of playtime and a quick recharge of just 15 minutes for an additional hour of play. But it depends on your usage. The included charging case also allows for additional charging for a total battery life of up to 25 hours. In noisy environments, the in-ear fit is comfortable and provides good noise isolation. The headphones also include a voice assistant so you can access your favorite features with ease. To ensure extra comfort and sound clarity, they come with 3 sizes of ear tips. With a matte black finish, the earbuds have a sleek and modern design. The charging case is compact and easy to carry. For music lovers who are looking for superior sound quality, long-lasting battery life, and an ergonomic fit, the JBL Wave 200 TWS wireless in-ear headphones are a great choice. If you are looking for high-end wireless headphones, I highly recommend them. If you don't have a smartwatch to control the music, the buttons on the earbuds are frankly not practical. Like and subscribe for more.